Hello, and welcome back to the basement shop. The name is Vern Horst, and I've got a new to me toy. Picked up this jet lathe at a yard sale. My wife needs a lid for one of her jars. I went and got another piece of ash. Now I need to cut this down so that it can fit on this guy. So I'm going to do that. So this thing, after I'm done making it, it's going to do something like that. I suppose it's time to find out if this is a good idea or a bad idea. Well, so far I didn't die. Oh, that's better. Well, there's that. Now to get it off, I'm going to take the coping saw and cut it off. Well, that's a fail. It's a huge crack. Well, it's supposed to be one piece. Learned a lot about lathing. Damn, I wish this would have turned out right. Look at that. That would have been so cool. But the wood just was not... It's not the right way to do that. Everything else seemed to be okay. But not that piece. And I'm not gonna... I could glue it, but I'm not gonna glue it. Let's go see if it would have fit. There's the bowl. Hey, the bowl has a crack. That's kind of... Maybe I will glue it. That's kind of funny. But yeah. That fits right on there. Kind of fits nice. I'm gonna glue that. Alright, I'm gonna let this dry. Come back at it tomorrow. See how I did. It's a little off. Oh well. Time to shut it down. Thanks for joining.